guys, this is Daniel, and today we're doing our 130,000 mile oil change. I already bought the oil filter in anticipation of this day, and today is finally here. So let's get to it. Alright, so if you bought an original Mercedes filter, it should come with all the seals inside, because there's 3 as far as I can remember that need to be replaced. I advise you to get some gloves. So, this is the whole ordeal. This is just a filter up here, so we're going to open this up. Here are the seals. Here we go. These hooks you can get cheap at Harbor Freight. So we're gonna remove this. Oh, here's the 4th one. Almost forgot about it. So if you're reusing these, mine are laying in the garage all year long to be used once, make sure there's no gunk in it. We're gonna let her careful off the ramps, because we're gonna need to check the oil when the car is level. Tad bit low, so let's add some more oil. Alright, now that was it. Just a quick oil change. You can probably do it in 15 minutes. at your car, heat it up just a little bit, just to make the oil flow a little bit easier. It's gonna save you some time. I fill up my oil to the middle mark because when the engine gets hot, the oil is going to expand a little bit and gonna increase it, so you don't wanna fill it cold to the top max mark. The only thing left now is to put the cover back on and to reset the computer. All right, now the only thing is missing is the test drive. The old oil is gonna go back to Advanced Auto Parts. This is my preferred store. You guys can use AutoZone. They have an oil dumping thing. O'Reilly's, I believe, has it too. So I just prefer Advanced Auto Parts. The new bottle, where I got about 4 quarts left inside because I used a little bit of something from a previous oil change. Close it airtight. It will store for up to 2 years. You should be able to do 2 oil changes with 3 bottles. Again, it really depends on your engine size and the capacity. I'm gonna use it for next time. It's still good. All right, guys, that was it. That's a regular oil change for a Mercedes. This is an S500 W220 from 2004. This particular car here in my area would cost $260 for an oil change. Between the oil and the filter, I spent just around $72. I will put links in the description. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys do? You do a 5,000 mile, 10,000 mile, 12,500 mile oil change? You go strictly by the book, or you do your own regiment? Let me know down in the comments. Until next time, take care.